we will be working on the second page of the packet, the letter A. There's a little astronaut. There's also a watch at the bottom. So the first letter actually shows you how to do the letter A. There's an arrow that goes down, it says number 1. There's another arrow that goes down, that's number 2. And then the third one goes across. And that's how we create our A. We start at the top of the black line. We go down at an angle to the bottom solid line. Go back up to the point we just made. We go down at the other angle. And then about halfway, we go across. We're going to do that for each of the A's. So I'm going to go down, down, across. Down, down, across. These are the capital or uppercase A's. Down, down, across. Down, down, across. Now remember, it's at an angle, which means that we're going down. So starting here and then going down. If I went straight down, it would be more of an H. So we want to make sure we have that slant. Then right below it, we have the lowercase a's. And it shows us again that we start here with number 1. And there's a curve around, almost it looks like an O. And then we add our line. So we start at the top, go all the way around so it looks like an O. And then we make our line. The line needs to be touching the circle part. We go around, make that O, and then make our line. Circle around so it looks like an O, but then we're going to make it an A by making that line. Circle around, draw our line. Circle around, draw our line. The next line, the third line, because we have 1, 2, 3. Our third line, we trace the first one, but then it wants us to write some. So I would say we could probably fit 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of our own on. So I'm going to go down, down, across, and then I'm going to try it on my own. Down, down, across. Leaving a space in between. Down, down, across. Down, down, across. Down, down, across. And then the next part is the lowercase a's. So we do our circle around, line down. Make sure with the lowercase a's that you don't go over the dotted line. Your O should not go above that dotted line. Your line for your A should go at the dotted line to the solid line. So circle. Go to this dotted line, go down, connect to your circle. If it goes too far up, it changes into a different letter. Or if it goes too far down, so we need to be careful when we write our A's. Circle around, then go to the dotted line and line down. The last line, because we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, our fifth line says apple, A-P-P-L-E. We're going to trace it. A P P L E. And I go in order because when we're writing, we go in order. So I'm not going to be skipping around because I need to know how to spell this word because I'm going to be doing it over here. So we don't want to go from A to P to L to E to back to P. We want to go A P P L E. Apple. There's no, the E doesn't make a sound right now. It's a silent E, but it's apple. So then over here, I'm going to try to write it. So I'm going to have my A, P. Notice how the A and the P are very similar. Make your circle. And then you put the line down on the other side. We start at the dotted line and then we go all the way down past the dotted line. And then L, top line to the bottom line. And then E. For an E, we start in the middle between the dotted line and the solid line. We go around, then we go in. Apple. Then at the very bottom, we have this Apple Watch. And what you can do, you don't have to. You can just color it if you want to. And then leave it attached. But if you would like to color it, then you can cut it off. And then you can wear it on your wrist as your A watch. But that is up to you. Good job. Kiss your brain.